Hello! Today we're going to talk about Colombian bodies of water, describing the environment. What is a body of water? Bodies of water are natural environments that contain many and different water forms. For example, this is a waterfall, this is the ocean, this is a lake, and this is a pond. Generally, we can find the following bodies of water on the earth. The ocean. This is the ocean. Adjectives: salty, deep, large. Let's describe the ocean. The ocean is salty. It is deep. The ocean is large. Oceans in Colombia. We can find two oceans in Colombia: the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The lake. This is a lake. Adjectives: fresh, big, mountainous. Let's describe the lake. The water of the lake is fresh. Lakes are big. The lake is mountainous. Lakes in Colombia. We can visit Tarapoto Lake. This is located in the Colombian Amazonas. This is Tarapoto Lake. The river. This is a river. Adjectives: narrow, long, slow. Let's describe the river. Rivers are narrow. Bogota River is dirty. This river is slow. Rivers in Colombia. Colombians can observe Bogota River. This is the Bogota River. The wetland. This is a wetland. Adjectives: shallow, muddy, swampy. Let's describe the wetland. Wetlands have swampy soils. Wetlands are muddy. This wetland is shallow. Wetlands in Colombia. You can see Juan Amarillo Wetland in Bogota. This is Juan Amarillo Wetland. The waterfall. This is a waterfall. Adjectives: noisy, fast, beautiful. Let's describe the waterfall. Waterfalls are noisy. This waterfall has fast water. Waterfalls are beautiful. Waterfalls in Colombia. You can visit La Humedora Waterfalls. It is located in Gambita, Santander. La Humedora Waterfalls. Enjoy nature responsibly. Remember, adjectives are important to describe. Thank you.